Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Sunday mornings. You know the drill by now. Bit of a flow, bit of a Sunday sermon. Sharing thoughts, sharing ideas that are on my mind. I go for pretty long walks. Sunday mornings, I do my deep work, my visualization, my meditations, my connection to God, Spirit, Source, to vision. Getting my marching orders. Making sure that I'm in alignment. Making sure that I'm heading in the right direction. And every Sunday is the deep work. I do it every morning, but Sunday is like the deep work. I want to be in state. I want to be clear for the week. And I get a lot of inspiration. And so these talks on Sundays really come from that. Wealth is a mindset. That used to trigger the F out of me. I was poor, broke, riding a pedal bike around, had no money. And someone said that. They're like, oh no, it's your mindset. I'm like, it's not my mindset. I have no money. It must be easy for you to say that, sir, because you clearly have money. And it's the idea of what came first, the money and then the mindset? The wealth and then the mindset? Or was it the mindset first and then the wealth? And from my experience, it's the mindset first. Almost every single person I know, by the way, look at this. How beautiful is that? Unreal. From my experience, some ducks fishing. There's fish jumping everywhere. It looks like they're catching little guys. Nature. It's insane how perfectly it works out, isn't it? Anywho, that's a topic for a different discussion. What came first, the mindset or the money? And from my experience, everybody I knew, because I started listening to that, I'm like, okay, my life's not working out. Maybe there's something there. And I started finding people, talking to people, investigating people who had wealth, who had money. And all of them started with nothing. Most are completely self-made from the bottom. And that gave me some hope. That gave me some inspiration. I'm like, well, if they came from the bottom, then I guess I don't need millions of dollars to make money. The whole idea of you need money to make money, maybe I don't. And I started investigating this thing, mindset, because that's such a broad topic. Oh, just fix your mindset, bro. It's like, okay, well, what does that mean? I started really digging in and exploring my beliefs, my paradigm. How did I see the world? When I got $10 or when I had $100 or when I had $1,000, what did I think about it? How did it make me feel? How did I think about it? Was it scarce? Was it put in a bank? Was it hide it? Was it, oh my God, that was so hard to make, etc.? When I had a bill, when I had to pay something, how did I think? What were my beliefs behind that thinking? That's what we're talking about here. This is not easy. If this was easy, everyone would fix their mindset. It's not easy. There's a reason why I spend hours on a Sunday working on me. Because I know the next level of life, the next game I want to play, the next version of where I'm going is going to demand a different version of me. The next level version of me, a different way of thinking. It got me here, but it won't get me there. I am in this work. I want to make that really clear. A lot of gurus are like just people will just be like, oh yeah, I have it all figured out. That's dangerous. I don't. I am in this work as much today as I was 10 years ago. I am in this work as much today as I was 10 years ago, if not even more, because the problems get bigger, and so your character and the person you become has to get bigger, the more responsibilities you have, and the bigger of a life you build. But anywho, so I think I'm more consistent with my practices and I'm more consistent with actually working on me now than I was when I first getting going. Because I know if I skip a week of working on me, parts of my life, cracks start revealing themselves. It's like driving a vehicle. If you drive a Honda Civic, you could probably drive it for a long time without any maintenance. But if you're driving a Ferrari, and you know me, I'm into these beautiful cars, you better keep it maintained. Because if you don't, for even a short period of time, cracks are going to start showing. I mean, supercars have come a long way. But anyways, you get the point. How do you think about it? It's going to demand a different version of you. And so I'm really big on this idea of like paradigms or like your reality. How do you see the world? And so many people, their ego is completely in the way and it won't allow them to even question, maybe there's a different way of seeing it. People are so locked into their beliefs, whether they're religious beliefs or financial beliefs or how the world is supposed to work, and they cannot let them go, and hence they stay stuck. The next level of your life is going to demand a different level of you. When I say mindset, when I say wealth mindset, it's literally, this is what changed for me. I'm going to end it here. This is what really changed for me. This is probably the point of the whole video. When I had a broke person mindset, when I was not, things weren't working out in my life, I saw everything as dangerous, as risky. I saw everyone as wanting to take something from me. I saw everything as danger, etc. And so, of course, I never started a business. I never took the risk. I saw the world as there's never enough. Only a small percentage of people get everything and they F us all over. That was literally my view of the world. When I changed that view and I said, ooh, there's more than enough for everyone. Oh, I could lose everything and still be okay. I'm okay. Well, of course I'll take the risk then, because there's nothing to lose. And I started seeing myself as a winner and someone who could do it. Oh, well, of course I'll start that thing. Of course I'll take that risk. No risk, no reward. And most people's mindsets are so scarcity orientated that they won't ever take that risk. They take a little bit of risk, they get a little bit of reward, and then they make a little mistake, and then they lose a little bit, and then they never take that risk again. I see it in DeFi all the time. I see it in crypto. I see it in investing. I see it in business. Go big or go home. You're not taking it with you. We're all headed in the same place at the end of the day. It doesn't matter how much money or how little money you have, you end up underground. You're not taking any of these positions with you on the next journey. And so what are we so afraid of? And again, your view can have you see that in two different ways. Someone might say, oh, well, then what's the point of even trying? I can't take it with me. And the other person, someone who's got a wealthy mindset, I'll see it as, I'm down for the challenge. I want to grow as a human with this limited time I have on this planet. I want to grow as a spiritual being, and so give me the challenge. Let's go. Two different ways of looking at the exact same thing. There's a law of relativity that will come into effect here. But everything is relative. It's all your perspective, how you see it. It's a rainy day today on the lake. A part of me woke up because I go for walks on Sundays and I'm like, I wish it was sunny. And I said, hold up. It's all relative. How can I enjoy the rain? How can I make this an adventure? And I just changed my perspective of the exact same thing. I could be miserable about it or I could be excited about it. Wealthy mindset versus poor mindset. And the choice is yours. And what you'll find is when you start shifting your mindset, your reality slowly starts shifting with it. You'll start seeing opportunities you didn't see them. You'll start saying yes to things you didn't say yes before. I want that for you. Let's get it. What landed? Let me know in the comments below. Cheering for you so damn hard. And with that said, I'm going to let you go. And like this video, subscribe to the channel. And again, leave your feedback in the comments below. And with that said, I'll see you soon. Peace.